what I want to show you right now is how to install the board. So we'll take the board out. This is a very simple, has a single standoff, and this is the board itself. So what we're going to do is take the standoff and the screw out, 2 screws actually, and we're going to figure out where we want to put this one. Now on the other video for the Super Dupo, we put it where the 64 breadbin goes. We're going to put this one over here with the for 64C. And if you take a look at here, it'll show you a 64C port, which is correct. And so you can pick if you want to put the stem in first. I always like to do this first. So I'm going to go ahead and put the little standoff stem piece on here first. So we have 1 screw goes here, and then we're just going to take the standoff and we're going to screw it into the screw like that. Okay, and then we can tighten it. Just hold it and tighten it just to be snug. It doesn't have to be super tight. And now we're going to locate where the pins are, and we're going to line them up so that they are 1 for 1. And I must have bent this when I was playing with earlier. So I will, if your pins are bent for some reason, you can just straighten them out. I literally just bent these when I was doing something with it. So I'll take a pair of tweezers and I'll just bend them back. Okay, there we go. So now straight. All right, we'll try this again. We're going to line up the pins like this, and we're just going to push down so the connector is flush against it. And then when you flip it over, you're going to see that the threads are visible from the hole in here. So we're going to take the screw and put it into here, and we're going to tighten it down. And again, you don't have to like crank on it, it just has to be snug. All it's doing really is preventing the board from being able to move. It's strong now. Okay, so we're going to take our cable that came with this, and notice on here that we've got a marking for pin 1. It says pin 1 on here, and there's a gap here. If you look at our cable that came with it, you're going to see pin 1 is a white wire, and there's a gap right next to it, so there's no wire there. So all we're going to do is check where the pins are, where the receptacles for them, and push on, just going to push it in place like that. That's it. So that's the connection, and then this goes to pin 1 on the motherboard header, which also has a gap next to it. So that is the installation for the basic control board.